So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the connected devices in your mobile hotspot. Before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to view the devices connected to your hotspot of your smartphone, scroll down quick settings of your phone. Here you can see personal hotspot. Long press on personal hotspot. You can also go to the personal hotspot by going to the settings and search for personal hotspot in settings search bar. After opening search personal hotspot, you can see connection management. Click on connection management. Here you will be able to see all the connection devices in your smartphone. All the connected devices that are connected to your hotspot will be shown here. You can also set the data usage limit here. You can also see device connection limit. You can set it 1 to as much you want device to be connected limited. You can also block device and check here. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.